Alrighty, let's get this final part wrapped up. I know I had that put in place last time with the brace there. What I got to do is I got to go ahead and get this punched out side of the wall there. So got some holes drilled, break out the jigsaw and go ahead and open that up. So I will be right back. And there we have it. Let there be light. So get the hole drilled through. Not my best, cleanest work, but we can go ahead and get that caulked up around there. And then I do have a piece I'm going to put on the outside. I'll show you that right now. Alrighty, so this is that piece I'm going to put on the end there. I 3D printed this out of PET G. I think that's probably going to hold up for a little bit. We'll see. It's not going to be in contact with a lot of fumes, but it will get some. So we'll see how this holds up. But yeah, I'll go ahead and pop that on the end, and I'll probably have to get some kind of like mesh or find some mesh to put in there because I don't want any bees or any other insects flying down there and getting into my silver nitrate or anything else that I'm working on. So alrighty, let's go ahead and get this thing put up and get into place, and then we'll test it out. Alrighty, so we got